Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some unboxing of some super awesome Born Pretty PR I got, and I'm so excited, and we're going to make a super cute nail set. And I hope you stay tuned because we're going to be having some Space Witch vibes with the nails, and I can't wait for you to see them. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we're going to jump right in here. I picked 5 of their reflective glass cat eye polishes. I'll link them down below. These are everything. These are my favorite ones I've tried so far. This is number 2. It's purple with a green shift. Absolutely beautiful. They're so easy to work with, as you'll see. Look at this one. It's green, yellowy, blue. These are amazing. This is what I've been looking for in terms of cat eye polishes, and the shifts show up so well. I just have so many ideas with these, and I'm really happy how this set turns out today. Look at that. That's number 6 right there. So here they all are. That's just absolutely epic to me. Again, I'm going to link them down below. We are going to use every single color here, and we're going to get started. So I'm taking these E-Nail Couture long round gel nail extensions, but we're going to be making some press-ons. This is just the bag that they come in, and excuse how utterly disgusting my nails are. They're literally the worst they've ever been in a really long time. I'm actually working on that really hard right now. We'll get more into that in a minute. So I'm just showing you what you're going to need: a top coat, a black gel, some rhinestone glue, of course, nail stands, and a little flash curing lamp, and the cat eye gels. So I'm just going to place them down on my nail stand on the putty, and we're going to get right into it. So yeah, I really destroyed my nails once and for all. I'm a nail biter, which makes things so much worse, and I'm in one of my nail biting phases right now as we speak. I actually am using some of the no bite nail polish on my nails right now. I'm going to try really, really hard because it's just really embarrassing. I don't know. I hate it so much. I stop and then I restart. I go through phases. If it's always been like this in my whole life, I don't know. It's a struggle. But yeah, we're going to overcome it. Maybe you guys can give me some motivation on any tips you have if you're a nail biter or whatever. Just some positive words would be much appreciated. So I'm just doing one super thin coat of this black Reserve gel polish that I got from Nail Reserve. Doesn't need to be perfectly opaque because these cat eyes are very opaque themselves, but just do a nice thin even coat to get a nice dark base color. You don't have to use black. I just prefer black. You can use dark purple. You can use a white if you want. You can literally use whatever you want. A dark blue would probably look pretty cool too, like a navy. But I just wanted to stick to black, and since I just got this gel, I wanted another excuse to use it. So I am. And after I do this, I'm going to cure the nails in my big nail lamp for 60 seconds, just to be extra careful. Since we're working with black here, it can be kind of finicky, but this polish is really nice. But just in terms of black nail polish, it's always better to be safe than sorry, because you don't want bubbles, you don't want anything to not cure. So 60 seconds should be sufficient. But yeah, so I'm super happy with how this set turned out. I can't wait to use these cat eyes again. They're just so beautiful. You're definitely going to see me use them again in the very near future. They're perfect. They are literally uncomparable to other cat eyes that I've tried so far. They look just like space, every one of them, without literally doing anything. It's perfect. I can't wait to show you how easy they move with the magnet too. It's great. So we're all cured up here. I cut out the curing time just to save time for you guys. And now we're gonna start. I'm gonna just use every single color, one on each nail, and magnetize it, and then cure for 60 seconds. These are so smooth and so opaque. Look at that color payoff on top of the black. It's absolutely stunning. I'm so thrilled with these. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending them over my way. I think this is my favorite polish set yet from you guys. This one, oh my god. So beautiful. So I'm just making sure that the coat is nice and even everywhere. Always make sure to get your edges, and then we're going to do the magnet, the fun part. And I am no cat eye specialist, but these are just effortless, literally effortless. Like, look at that. The shifts are so beautiful. That looks just like space. Oh my god, I can't get enough of these. Look at that blue. If I was able to do the heart paperclip thing, which I probably should get to practicing, this would just be everything. So yeah, I'm gonna have to watch some videos on that again. I haven't like watched any on that in a while because I tried in the very beginning when it was like viral, and then I gave up. But yeah, these still turn out really cute. These are super easy. So we're moving on to the next color here. Look at all those reflective glitters. Oh my gosh. So this one looks like it has like a purpley base as well, kind of similar to the first one. I end up moving this finger to my ring finger because I didn't want it to be so similar to the thumb, and my ring finger and thumb are the same size, so that worked out really well. And let's see what color this one shifts to. So I'm just kind of gliding over the whole nail just to get it like going. Oh my god, so pretty. And then I just kind of fine tune where I want the orbs. I don't know what to call it. So pretty. Let me know which one of the swatches was your favorite. I'd definitely be interested to know. It's really hard for me to pick a favorite. So we have the thumb. I'm just carrying that finger there that I just showed you, and we're going to move on to the next one. This one that I'm going to show now is number 3 from the set. I believe the only one that I'm missing is number 1. I think there's 6 of them, so I have 5 that I chose, like I said. Oh my gosh, look at the green in that. These are great. I should probably stop talking because I feel like I just keep saying the same thing over and over again. So I'm just going to put in some music here and get back to you when we start on the rest of the design, which is going to be like 3D rhinestone gel blobs. We're doing like effortless space witch nails. Oh my god, look at how beautiful these are. They're all different, yet they all go together so well. They look so spacey. I can't even take it. I'm so thrilled with these. If you have trouble working with cat cat eye gels. I'm telling you, you need to try these. So I'm just taking my rhinestone gel and literally randomly just creating some blobs, going around the nail, doing some swirls, like literally whatever you want. I hope the camera is picking this up well, but just literally whatever I feel. Each nail is different again.